What's up, people? This is Raleigh from raw10cores.io, and I'm just going to show you a brief way of how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask or in a fresh MetaMask installation. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. I do have one that I can import back, so I deleted all mine, but this just shows that you can lose it, and as long as you have your keys, you can get it back. So I went to that site, searched it, got in the web store. I'm using Brave, but I just got the extension from Chrome web store and added the extension. Welcome to MetaMask. Alright, so you got to agree to a couple things, and like I said, you can import or you can start new. I'm starting new. Just so, new users, if you need to know, if you're more experienced, you just go ahead and comment if you want me to just show you how to import. But it's pretty similar. So yeah, let's go ahead and create our wallet. I'm gonna type a password here that's really simple, and I don't mind you guys logging into this wallet because it's just a throwaway. Ooh, the password outsmarted me. And there we have it. Alright, and this part right here, I'd watch this video, but take it seriously, because if somebody gets a hold of your seed phrase, you're jacked, and then you don't get that back. And then if you lose your seed phrase and you update your device or anything like that, you will not have your account anymore, and whatever you have in this account is gone. So I write it down on a piece of paper like they recommend to, and keep it offline. If your security is good enough and you think nothing's going to happen to it, or your computer won't fry or nothing like that, it's all you. But I just don't recommend it, and I'm doing this the wrong way. Don't do this. Unless you really feel you need to. But it gives you a quiz on the next page. So I did this just to save time on the video, keep you guys not listening to me for too long and getting back into action. So let me pull up my video or text editor, because I'm going to do the thing I said not to do, and just, I don't think I can copy and paste, but I need to know the order of them. What was that sound? Okay, so I have it there, and it just quizzes you the order it's in. So I copied and pasted that way. That's the way you should write it down on your paper, and just go through it, because it's it's just checking to see if you actually took it serious, or if you wrote it down at all. So if you don't write it down, or you don't copy and paste, or you don't do anything, you're not going to get a wallet unless you just memorize it. 12-word phrase, and then you'll have your wallet. Congratulations! Woohoo! Alright, so now what do? We just have the Ethereum mainnet, and I think you have a couple test nets to start with. Oh no. It's hiding. There's a way to unhide the test nets. I think it comes hidden like that, but it usually comes with 4, I believe. So this is the old way to do it. I'm going to show you a different way, because you have to enter this all manually per blockchain. So chainlist.org. I really found this tool convenient. Before I started making this video, I remembered this, is you can just pick whatever network you want to add to it, and I'm already connected to it, so I'm logging out, connecting back in with my wallet, and there's a new wallet I made. Connecting the page to my wallet. And now you just click add to MetaMask. That easy, and all that stuff that you're supposed to write down on the prior page, it's there. You just approve it. Ask if you want to switch to the Binance network. And yes, we do. Because this is what I use most of my airdrops. And I was going to give a demonstration, but I already kind of did. But one of them is on the Ethereum mainnet. So you just always want to make sure you're on the right block, or the right network. So if it's a ERC20 coin or an Ethereum coin, They'll tell you, but make sure you're sending it to the right address, because this one will only take the coins I'll show you. I'll add a couple. So usually you search up the contract, but well, yeah, you have to search up the contract, but there's a easier way now where you can just add it straight to the wallet, which is pretty convenient. So for Pancake Swap, their native coin is Cake, and there's a contract address. Hey, there's a little button, add to MetaMask, and there you have, well, click the button, you have Cake. You can double check it. Now instead of just BNB, you have Cake too. So you go on Pancake Swap and do that thing, and I'll probably make a video of that too here eventually. And then I'll try one more. So good jump token. And same dealio. Just add a MetaMask. You understand? Because there's some, you can add the wrong one to the wrong chain. So that's what I about did there. Let's try to add it to the Ethereum chain. So I had to go down and do the BNB smart chain, or BSC chain. And then boom, pop up. And then I'll show you, you can also add it to the Ethereum chain, but I haven't seen it in Ethereum. So, like I didn't say that, but people can make fraud coins very easily on this. And there can be a bunch of stuff. So you want to know that it's the right coin, and there's all kinds of ways to check out. So this coin market cap is a good way, but they'll show fraud coins along with it. So you want to find the one with the website, the white paper, and everything that has the details about the actual project, because that's going to be the one you want. And you can tell by trade volume and everything else. So that's about it. And yep, you guys have a good one, and until next time.